going, everyone? I decided I would sadly make an update video on my eBay headlights. And I say sadly because my car being a 2006, I have the OEM projectors. Now the reason why I'm running these eBay headlights is because I had sent those projectors off to get retrofitted. And it's been a long time, it's been a while. I think I'm going on 4 or 5 month wait right now. That's a whole separate thing. Nothing bad or anything like that, but it just is a really long wait because of stuff that's been happening, stuff that has happened. So hopefully, I heard from the retrofit guy last week. Hopefully within the next couple weeks, I'll be seeing those. But anyways, these eBay headlights are, I guess you can call the GTR style, because of the, you know, that kind of thing in the middle. And overall, I haven't had any issues with them. There's no condensation buildup. The light output is decent. Nothing compared to my OEM lights, but it's not bad. It's all right. The daytime running light looks cool. My turn signals with my LED bulbs in them are really bright. I like them a lot. It doesn't turn on with the daytime running light, so that's also pretty nice. It's weird because I've seen other people with these headlights, and when they have that DRL light on, the turn signal is also on. I found that weird because mine doesn't do that, which is what I like, because with that orange light being on, it would look really weird and it wouldn't look good. Mine doesn't, so I'm not gonna complain. But yeah, overall guys, no issues. The fitment is pretty good. I really don't have any big complaints on them. So if you guys were looking to switch to aftermarket headlights, I actually would consider those over the other eBay Spec D headlights, because tons of people have issues with those. Even though they might look a little better, I don't think it's worth it. Also, everyone has them, so me personally, I don't like to have, you know, a cookie cutter. I'm gonna call it a basic G35 starter pack. I know I'm gonna piss off a lot of people saying that, but everyone has those headlights, those Spec D ones. Be different, you know, do something else. Which is also why I'm doing the retrofit, you know, route with my OEM lights, because it's gonna be a one-of-one design that no one else has. Just like my taillights that I posted up pictures, if you guys haven't seen that, just in the post of my custom taillights that I'll be, the guy actually shipped them out yesterday, so I should be getting those here in a couple weeks. It takes that long from shipping from Japan. So overall, with these eBay headlights, I mean, 10/10. I haven't had any issues with them. Driven in the rain, everything, they're staying perfect. So I would, if you were gonna go the aftermarket route, I probably would choose those. And they do look pretty good. So hope you guys find this video helpful if you were kind of deciding which headlights to go for. If you choose those Spec D lights, you know, go for it. If you're choosing those over your OEM 06 to 07 projectors, I will make fun of you.
Didn't even get to cross.